Stop wasting your time on freelancing sites. Nobody is going to tell you this, but in 2026, freelancing is just a 9 to 5 with a different name. You are still chasing clients, still hitting deadlines, and still trading your precious hours for money. Most people don't know that the real money does not come from doing the work. It comes from productizing it. I am going to show you how to take a skill you already have and turn it into a digital download that sells while you sleep. No clients, no meetings, no ASAP mails. Just pure scalable leverage. Stay until the end because I am revealing the 3 specific niches that are undersupplied right now. Let's build your manual. Productizing is simple. You solve a problem once and you sell the solution 1,000 times. Instead of building a custom website for one client, you sell the aesthetic landing page blueprint to 500 people. You move from being the worker to being the architect. In the 2026 economy, people are impatient. They don't want to hire you for a month. They want the shortcut right now. That shortcut is your product. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be useful. So let's move ahead. Number 1. Templates. Are you good at Notion, Canva or Excel? Sell the system you use to stay organized. Number 2. Blueprints. Did you land a remote job? Sell the resume and interview script that got you hired. Number 3. Data packs. Use AI to curate list of 100 best AI tools for architects or 50 high-paying micro niches. People will gladly pay $27 to save 10 hours of research. That is the Muse mindset, selling time back to others. Now, let's get you set up in 5 minutes. Forget complex websites. Use Payhip. It's the most favorite platform for beginners. It's free to start and handles all the boring tax stuff for you. Upload your PDF or template, set your price, and you are live. To drive traffic, we are not using ads. We are using educational breadcrumbs. Post one how-to tip on Pinterest or Instagram and link your product as the complete system. One post can drive sales for years. The era of hustling is over. Welcome to the era of ownership. If you are ready to stop being a digital servant and start being a digital owner, type owner in the comments. I have put a start to finish checklist in the pinned comment to help you launch your first product tonight from $0. Subscribe to join the circle of elite earners. Stay fresh, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.